In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependency in ClickUp. If you want to organize your workflow more clearly and make sure tasks happen in the right order, setting up dependencies in ClickUp is a great tool to use. Dependencies help show whether one task needs to be completed before another can begin, which makes project planning much easier, especially when you're working with multiple tasks that are connected. To get started, open the task that you want to connect to another task. This is the task where you'll define the relationship, so make sure you've selected the correct one before moving on. Once the task window is open, look to the upper right corner and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional task options that aren't shown in the main view. After that, move your cursor over relationships. This section is where ClickUp lets you link tasks together in different ways. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on dependencies, which are useful for showing task order and task reliance. Next, choose the dependency type that fits what you need. You'll see two main options here. This task blocks, or this task is blocked by. If you choose this task blocks, that means the task you currently have open must be completed before the other task can move forward. If you choose this task is blocked by, that means the current task depends on another task being finished first. Choosing the right option is important because it affects how your workflow is represented. Once you've selected the dependency type, search for the task you want to connect. You can type the task name into the search field to find it quickly, which is especially helpful if you're working in a busy workspace with lots of tasks. When the correct task appears, select it. To create the dependency, simply click the selected task. As soon as you do that, the dependency will be added. This creates a clear connection between the two tasks, helping everyone involved understand what needs to happen first and what may be waiting on something else. A good tip here is to double check the dependency after adding it, just to confirm you selected the right task and the correct relationship type. That small review can help prevent confusion later, particularly on larger projects. And that's all it takes to create a dependency in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.